Hey guys, welcome back to another Technical Panda video. Today we're going to be, whatever. We're going to be working on, stop buzzing at me, my brother's LG V10 that's dead and it's boot looping. We decided to look up some janky things. If it sounds like I'm doing this like halfway through the video, it's because I technically am. Because I was actually in the middle of recording and my phone decided to overheat, which is quite common when you're doing like a 15-minute video on a phone in 4K. So, where I left off was complaining a bit about LG and their warranty, because this is not covered under warranty anymore because I didn't register it. We're recording 1080p 60 now, which should be better. Hopefully. Anyways, it's not covered under the warranty or the lawsuit because they both settled, and this is way out of warranty. This is like 3 years old? Yeah, 3 years old roughly. So, according to internet, it said to clear the capacitors, which I'm going to do right now. If you don't know what that is, neither did I until I googled it like 5 seconds ago. We take the battery out, because this takes the battery out. Remember the good old days when you could take the batteries out of phones? Yeah, me too. And it says to, oh, the phone's slipping. It says to hold the power button down for 30 seconds. You'll notice the wide angle. It's wide because it shows more. Anyways, how's your guys' day doing? Mine's doing well. I was sick yesterday. Also, update on Lost. It's probably not going to happen because I kind of got bored with the series. So, episode 2 of Lost might not happen. So, batteries in. Yeah, it says to give another couple seconds. So we're going to give a couple more seconds. I'm going to pause the video right here. Okay, I paused the video right there because it said give it a couple of seconds. I didn't feel like giving a couple of seconds on video. So now it's in. Let's try and power it up. It powers up. Now we'll get out of the boot loop. Little hint I may have. Dun 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 dun. Will this get it out of boot loop? Hopefully it will. It's getting past the LG logo. And I fixed it. How did I fix it? Well, I followed the Google thing. I cleared out the capacitors. Holding up. One sec. So LG on their V30 and the G6 has wide angle cameras. You can see it right now. Wide angle. The new setting, I don't know if it's on the G6, beeps at you every time you do this. Or something gets somewhat close to the lens, like right there, or it's not even showing. Anyways, it beeps at you and does that really annoying notice. Where it says, make sure your lens isn't covered, and it covers the whole screen on my phone for some reason. Anyways, back to this. So, phone's back. Let's see how long. I fixed it by sticking in the freezer for a couple minutes. 20 minutes. Does it turn on? So I stuck this in the freezer, and I cleared the capacitors out a couple times, as the internet said, and I did not put a heatsink in like this says, because it's like $200. Let's actually Google how much this phone's worth. So I had to go back and do the whole thing again, yay. So back again. So we were Googling it, right? Googly thing. LG V10. Let's see how much this is worth. $209. So I'm not going to worry about putting a heatsink in this thing because it's not even worth it. Space black. What do you turn on? Oh no, it's running software code. Unknown reset. Oh yeah, I did reset it. So it was booting up, and now it's running an error. Let's see if I can get you guys to actually focus on it. Hi, doggy. Unknown reset. 1 second, clean this. So we back. So apparently, and you'll notice the glare. Also, if you see a little blinking light right there, roughly, it's my laser autofocus on the LG on the phone I'm recording on. So bear in mind that's going to get annoying. Also the lamp. So apparently Android goes the green screen of death, which I didn't know. So you can see that the secondary screen is not really secondary, it's just a weird actual first screen that they just cut up a bit. And my video's lagging a bit because it's getting hot. Anyways, you can see right there. Right there. It's an unknown reset. So hold the power button down. I'm gonna read this a bit for a second, and I'm gonna get back to you guys. I might do a part 2. Yeah, I'm gonna pause it for now.